My name is Mark Lewis. I'm Managing Director of Ultra Europa here in Żywiec in southern Poland. We manufacture only gluten-free products. We sell to retailers throughout Europe. We typically manufacture all we would describe as bread and morning goods. So that's bread, rolls, everything from petit pain to Kaiser rolls, baguettes, pizza bases. So anything you can make with wheat, we try and make without. The MTA oven was new to market, so I guess we took a bit of a risk, but we really liked what we saw. The radiant heat, having been brought up with rack ovens, there's a lot of heat comes out of the oven when you open the door. When you stand in front of the new MDA, there's no heat. You can put your hand against the surface and it's cool. We liked the way that the product was coming out of the oven. It was a better bake, it was a shorter bake. We were losing less moisture through the bake process. It's very important for us to be able to test our recipes. We can't rely on going into somebody else's bakery that happens to have a mechatherm oven. We have to go to the mechatherm development centre and test our product in 2 or 3 days or a week if we need. We've always been well received there, and the guys have been very, very helpful. So I highly recommend that. The great thing with the MTA oven is that it gives us that consistent bake. With rack ovens, there's always a difference between one oven and the next. With the MTA, we get a consistent bake across the bed of the oven and for the length of bake, so we're very pleased with that. In the market that we're in, it's still a small market in gluten-free, so we have to offer lots of different SKUs and lots of different products. The changeover is very important for us. We may run all day long on white bread one day, but the next day there may be 3 different products going through. And that change of temperature and bake profile is very important for us, so the swap over should be as quickly as we can possibly achieve. I would just like to say it's been a pleasure to deal with Mechatherm. Luke and the sales team are very, very good to us, and we've enjoyed our experience.